Hi. Okay, today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be learning how to do some simple at-home passing practices. And what I want you to do is get a ball that bounces. So you can use a real soccer ball, or you can use a ball that just is bouncy, that will have a return when it hits the wall. Okay, now, let's see if I can show you a little bit better. So I'm going to start right here. You're going to come to a wall. Now the wall that you could use is maybe an outdoor of your house. Maybe it's the indoor of the garage. That's what I used to do when I was a kid. I used the indoor of the garage, and I would hit the ball for practice against the wall. Now there's 3 different types of passes that I want you to practice with today. The first one is I want you to use the inside of your shoe. That's called your instep. And from 3 steps away, I want you to practice 10 each foot. 1, 2, each time you're trapping with the sole of your shoe. 4, so after 10, let's say I did 10, then I switch sides and use the other foot. Just using the instep, hitting it, controlling it, like that. That's the first one. Now, notice my ball didn't go up in the air. It's nice and flat and smooth. It bounces, it comes right back to me. If you don't hit it straight on, if you hit it from an angle, then it's going to take off and it's not going to be as easy to control. And that's part of this activity too. Okay? You did the instep. Now I want you to do the outstep, or the outside of your foot. It looks like this. Same distance. Actually, let me bring this down so you can see a little bit better. Okay, now you're going to use the outside, the outstep, like that. Now this one, you're going to have to swing a little bit harder to get it to come back to you. But you want to be able to practice to use this pass. After 10, same thing. See what I mean about controlling it, kicking it straight? And don't worry, you might want to scoot in a little bit for the outstep, because it will be harder to generate power. And then the third one, what you're going to do, you're going to back up, if your space allows you to do this, and then you're going to do a drive kick. Let me show you. And so this one, you're going to kick it, and you're going to point your toe down. But I'm facing the target, it looks like this. So I'm kicking with more of my shoelaces, and it's going to get more power on. That's why I wanted you to back up. Now, ideally for kindergarten, keep it at a completely stopped, still ball. If you're in 1st and 2nd grade and have a little bit of practice, it's okay to kick a moving ball. But again, you can probably hear there's a lot more power with this type of kick. But after 10, same thing with the other side. Okay? Now, soccer at your level is all about practice and repetition, okay? So I want you to try this as many times as you want to, and just keep practicing this over and over again. Remember, 10 each foot, and then do instep, outstep, and then a drive kick, okay? All right.